Good morning, all. It's my great pleasure and honor to introduce Dr. Halima. She's the lady having more enthusiasm on education, and she is currently serving as the director for EduFarm International Academy. And she is having more interest for and passions for the students. She served as the deputy director for Delhi Food Board, and she is also establishing the schools for running greatly to serve the people. And she is the founding principal of Delhi Public School in UAE, and she had committed a lot of activities and creating a lot of values for the students over there. And she holds the PhD in philosophy from Ahmedabad University, New Delhi. She is having another educational degree from Delhi University. Sadia is also the chairperson of SEET, a trust committed to the education and welfare activities for the community who want to uplift their life into the next level. So there are a lot of values and credentials she has. Due to time restrictions, I just wanted to mention few things for the people who want to support for the needy things for the people as of now. Over to Dr. Halima to provide you a valuable talk today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ram. It was really wonderful to listen from your mouth, my appreciation. Although I am a learner, that is my introduction from my side. And today I'm going to speak about the golden cage. I am in the golden cage. You are in the golden cage. And I believe that everybody is in the golden cage. And on this day, when we are celebrating the International Workers' Day, we have to try to break this golden cage, or how to avoid this golden cage. See, this is me. I'm in the golden cage because I joined a job, and my owner, the one, my employer, loves me very much, and he has given me the responsibility that I can do very quickly. It's on my tips. And I am now on the automation mode, and I can do the things without putting in much efforts, and I'm drawing handsome salary. But now, after that, what else? Because the workplace, the owner, the employer, the colleagues, and everybody is so comfortable with me. I am so friendly with everyone that after this, there is nothing left for me. Then now I'm thinking that, oh, it is so boring, early morning doing the same job without any efforts, without any challenge. So I'm feeling bored. Then what to do? When I'm looking out, I see that the world outside my company, outside my institution, the world is entirely changed. So now thought of change is terrifying for me. So now there is no other option except that I have to be in the golden cage, drawing the salary, having the money at the end of the month, and then being on the automation mode and doing the same task without any pleasure. Although Aristotle has said that pleasure in job puts perfection in the work. So naturally, when there is no pleasure in the job, there is no perfection in the work. So this is me, my story. Now coming to my friend Sana's story. Sana is a businesswoman. She has done fashion designing, and she has started making beautiful dresses, and she got clients, few schools as clients, and she delivers the school uniforms to them. And there are two management who are very happy with Sana's work, and they have given the responsibility of providing the uniform for their 6 schools in all 10,000 students, and she is so happy. But suddenly what happened? Suddenly the owner of the school, the great philanthropist, he passed away. And his sons thought that now school is no more beneficial business. So let's think of something else. Instead of having the schools, let us have some multiplex, let us have some commercial buildings, let us have something else. Now Sana is thinking where to go, whom to supply, how to supply. So Sana is again in the golden cage. And my friend's Rahul's story is even more interesting. Rahul was working in Bangalore in one of the IT company, and he was so happily doing there. He was very talented, and his IT skills were fantastic. That's why One day the employer said that I want to send one of you to Canada. And Rahul was the first one to raise the hand because Canada was his dream destination. And he thought that I will go to Canada and I'll earn handsome salary and I am going to have all the luxuries of life. And when he went to Canada, what happened? There was a time difference in Canada and India. He was away from from all the colleagues. He was away from all the main office, and then he was not updated because because of the time zone difference. Hardly he used to get time to speak to the heads and the bosses. So now he started thinking, oh my God, और तो मुझको मिला क्या मेरी मेहनत का सिला, और तो मुझको मिला क्या मेरी मेहनत का सिला, चंद सिक्के हैं मेरे हाथ में छालों की तरह. So he has, by the end of the month, he has a few pennies in the hand, like the salary in the hand. But there is no satisfaction, there is no innovation, there is no creativity because he is aloof there, he is alone there. The entire team is somewhere else. So again, he is in the cage. Now what to do? How to break the cage? How to certify his creativity, his innovation, in which he is perfect. So my dear friends, on this Workers' Day, I would like to advise myself and at the same time advise my friends 4 advices through ABCD, because my favorite personality, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I always love him. I love his quotes. I love his thoughts and I love whatever he has said. So he has said that love your job, but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. So this is for all. This is for my friends, those who always love the people, love the company, love the place, and they try to make happy everyone. And then by making them happy, they always try to sustain their job over there. So please avoid this. Avoid this situation, avoid this habit. Instead of, let's be self-aware of our strengths and weaknesses, and let's be aware about the market, that what is going on in the market, what is my worth in the market. If I move out, then how much I am going to get, what skills I acquire, what skills I have in me, and how much my skills are going to pay me back. And then we have to assess the situations regularly. We should not be fooled by the company. We should not be fooled by the employer, by giving us pennies and then making us stagnated, making us like there is no innovation, there is no creativity in us. And then customer and product based diversification is very important. Like for my friend Sana, I would advise that she would have not dependent only on one school or one management or one client. She should have always customer and product diversifies. And then the last one is that we should always have the habit of appearing for the interview. Although we are very happy in our company, although we are doing good in our present with our present employer, but it's important to appear for the interviews just to gain and gauge the market, and just to gauge myself, just to gauge our abilities and our skills, whether we are up to the mark. I know one of my friend who was working in the company for last 35 years, and the company was believing no digital, and they were doing everything in the hard copy. They were doing everything in the like traditional way. And suddenly one day the employer said that, okay, now you know no more in my company. Then what the person has to, the person has not acquired any digital knowledge. The person has not acquired any technological knowledge. And when he goes to the market, now the entire market is transformed. Now everywhere digital literacy and awareness and empowerment is required. So in this case, on this Workers' Day, my advice to all my friends, those who are working for others or those who are working for themselves, that be a smart worker and always try to focus on your skills. Always try to enhance your skills and always acquire as much skills as possible, because there is always place vacant on the top. If you want to go on the top, nobody is going to stop you. So with these few golden advices, I'll say thank you very much for patient listening. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care and God bless you.
It is very wonderful talk about the golden cage, how the people can be able to use the better skills to come out from the risk or the challenges, making the opportunity to grow further and succeed. Thank you so much, Dr. Halima Sadia, for your wonderful tips and the sharings. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ram.